So this one, a 200-watt motor is being used to lift shingles at a constant velocity to the top of a roof. If one pack of shingles has 28-gram mass, determine the speed the pack will be raised at. Okay, so let's write out what we know. So P is equal to 200 watts, and M is equal to 28 kilograms. And we are looking for V. But there's no change in EK, so using delta EK is not really appropriate. So let's start with writing P is equal to W over T. Okay, now what I want you to do is, okay, W is equal to F times D. So we're going to substitute F times D into W. So now P is equal to F times D divided by T.
How can we even use it now? Like in all the other questions, you can use force.
You can still use force in the other ones, there's no point to it because you don't have force. But just wait, I'm getting there. I'll show you, we do have force. But I'll tell you how. So, the force is the force of gravity. Okay? So here, look at this. This is D over T. What is that? Speed. Yeah. So D over T is really speed. So we can say, since D over T is equal to V, we can just take that V and substitute it in for that. Because we want to find V, so we need a formula where V is actually in the formula. Well, D over T is equal to V.
But it doesn't give you time anywhere, so how are you supposed to?
Just wait. We don't need time because we're substituting in for V. So F times V. So this is not in your formula sheet. You think your power one is, though. Yeah, your power is in there. Okay, so now we know P and we're looking for V. So let's rearrange for V. So P divided by F is equal to V. Okay, this is what we need to use. This is our formula that we need to use. But we don't have force. Well, let's think about what's going on with force here. So if we're lifting shingles, there's F and Fg. Okay? If it is at a constant velocity, F net is equal to 0. Okay, so we know F net is equal to F app minus Fg. From our forces unit, we know F net is equal to 0 when there's constant velocity. So then I know that F app is equal to Fg, which is equal to M times G, the force of gravity. And we are given mass. Okay? So now we can find out F app. $60 kilograms multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared. So F app. Pardon? Oh, why did I put 60? Thanks. Okay, what is that? Newton. Okay, so now we can take this and put it in there, and we were given power from the beginning. Okay. 'So now we have V is equal to our power, which was 200 watts, divided by 274.68 newtons. .728 meters per second. 2 sigdigs, so we need to go 0.73 meters per second. So when generally, and you'll see this in your assignment, when you're just given power and mass, and you need to find speed, that's the formula that you'll be using. So this is not in your formula sheet, but it's one that you'll have to use several times. So you should be, I think, you should go through that process of how to make that formula during your assignment so that when you get to a test and you have to do it on your own, you know how to do it. And then you don't make a mistake. So you should